Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to share a location on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and directly navigate to the privacy and security. Tap on this, and from here you need to tap on the location for services. For some reason this might be turned off. For me, I have already turned it on this, so just you need to make sure that you have turned it on this if it is turned off. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit, and what you need to do is you have to check few things over here, right? So what you need to do is parallelly, also another one important thing, you have to tap on share my location, and what you need to do is make sure that if you have turned on this one over here on the share my location should be turned on. So, and also if you just need to go back, and from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the messages, tap on it, and right now always here you have to make sure that you have settings to while using the app, or either to ask next time or when I share. You should not be keeping this on the never. So right now I have already set this to while using the app, and also make sure the precise location also should be turned on. And right now we just need, after turning all these things, just cross-checking these, and you have to go back. And right now most probably you might be sharing the location to someone using your text messages. So we need to go over here in the text message, and you need to tap on the hamburger button over here. So the reason is I'm just making it, or I can create a text message if I wanted. So let me tap on this. Now from here I need to tap on the contact in which I wanted to share the number, so to share my location. So to do so, what I need to do is just go over here, let me search for the number. So this is the number, so I have added it. And this is for me, I have already chatted with them regularly, so I have created the chat here, or you have to create one if you don't have one. Then you have to tap on this plus icon over here. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the location, tap on the location, and right now what happens is, as you can see, this is my location over here, right? So you just need to select the location, it will be automatically done. And now you need to tap on send pin over here. So right now, so this particular contact will be receiving this particular location over here. As you can see, they will be receiving it, and right now they can check where you are, and this is how we can do it. Also, you can also share the location to someone using apps like, the widely used apps like, for example, WhatsApp and all those things. So if you wanted to know that as well, what you need to do is you have to navigate to the app. Over here, I'm having the WhatsApp, so I have to get into the WhatsApp. Let me give Face ID. So I have selected a conversation which I usually used to do. So this is one of my personal number, and what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to share a location to this number. So what I need to do is just go over here in the plus icon. Now from here you can see we have an option here called location. Tap on this. Now from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down a little bit. Now you can see you can either share the live location or you can share your current location, both are fine. So what I'm trying to do is just go over here, tap on send your current location, and as you can see right now this is going to share the location over here, right? So you can also do it in this way. This is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.